Hello everyone, myself Karthikeya and today's session we will discuss class 9th social science geography part. So this is our chapter number 1, India size and location. So in this particular video we will discuss exercise of this chapter only. So let's start. Question number 1, take the correct option. First question, the latitudinal extent of India influences. Option number A, sunrise and sunset. Option number B, day and night. Option number C, season. And option number D, none of these. So answer for this question, option number B, day and night. Next question, question number 2. In which hemisphere does India lie? Option number A, southern. Option number B, northern. Option number C, western. And option number D, eastern. So answer for this question, option number B, northern. Next question, question number 3. Which is the smallest state of India in area? Option number A, Sikkim. Option number B, Goa. Option number C, Manipur. And option number D, Puducherry. So answer for this question, option number B, Goa. Next question, question number 4. Which is the largest state of India in area? Option number A, Uttar Pradesh. Option number B, Maharashtra. Option number C, Rajasthan. Option number D, Madhya Pradesh. So answer for this question, option number C, Rajasthan. Next question, question number 5. Which country is not a neighbor of India? Option number A, Afghanistan. Option number B, Pakistan. Option number C, Thailand. Option number D, Myanmar. So answer for this question, option number C, Thailand. Next question, question number 6. The coastline along the mainland of India is about. Option number A, 6100 km. Option number B, 7510 km. Option number C, 7100 km. Option number D, 6510 km. So answer for this question, option number A, 6100 km. Next question, question number 7. Which of the following is not a union territory of India? Option number A, Puducherry. Option number B, Manipur. Option number C, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Option number D, Lakshadweep. So answer for this question, option number B, Manipur. Next question, question number 8. Which country has the longest coastline along the Indian Ocean? Option number A, Madagascar. Option number B, Malaysia. Option number C, India. And option number D, Sri Lanka. So answer for this question, option number C, India. Next question, question number 9. The standard meridian of India passes near which place? Option number A, Gangtok in Sikkim. Option number B, Prayagraj in UP. Option number C, Varanasi in UP. And option number D, Mirzapur in UP. So answer for this question, option number D, Mirzapur in UP. Next question, question number 10. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the difference of time is about. Option number A, 2 hours. Option number B, 2 hours 30 minutes. Option number C, 14 hours. And option number D, no difference in time. So answer for this question, option number A, 2 hours. Next question, question number 11. Which state is not along Bangladesh? Option number A, Meghalaya. Option number B, Mizoram. Option number C, Tripura. And option number D, Manipur. So answer for this question, option number D, Manipur. Next question, question number 12. The Indra point located at. Option number A, 6 degree 45 minutes south. Option number B, 6 degree 45 minutes north. Option number C, 8 degree 44 minutes north. And option number D, 8 degree 4 minutes south. So answer for this question, option number B, 6 degree 45 minutes north. Next question, question number 13. Which state is not along the boundary of Nepal? Option number A, Himachal Pradesh. Option number B, Uttarakhand. Option number C, Uttar Pradesh. And option number D, Sikkim. So answer for this question, option number A, Himachal Pradesh. Next question, question number 14. The easternmost longitudinal of India is. Option number A, 68 degree 7 minutes east. Option number B, 25 degree 25 minutes east. Option number C 37 degree 6 minute east, and option number D 97 degree 25 minute east. So answer for this question option number D 97 degree 25 minute east. Next question, question number 15. The Tropic of Cancer does not passes through option number A Rajasthan, option number B Odisha, option number C Chhattisgarh, and option number D Tripura. So answer for this question option number B Odisha. Next question, question number 16. The easternmost longitude of India is option number A 97 degree 25 minute east, option number B 68 degree 7 minute east, option number C 77 degree 6 minute east, and option number D 82 degree 32 minute east. So answer for this question option number A 97 degree 25 minute east. Next question, question number 17. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim have a common frontier with option number A China, option number B Bhutan, option number C Nepal, and option number D Myanmar. So answer for this question option number C Nepal. Next question, question number 18. If you intend to visit Kavratri during your summer vacation, which one of the following union territories of India will you be going to? Option number A Puducherry, option number B Lakshadweep, option number C Andaman and Nicobar, and option number D Chandigarh. So answer for this question option number B Lakshadweep. Next question, question number 19. My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundaries with India. Identify the country. Option number A Bhutan, option number B Tajikistan, option number C Bangladesh, and option number D Nepal. So answer for this question option number B Tajikistan. So next question number first, all answers are present here, so you can match from here. Next question, question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, India is the dash most popular country in the world. So second most popular country. Next question, question number 2, the total area of India is about dash square kilometer. Answer 32,87,263 square kilometer. Next question, question number 3, the east-west extent of India is about dash kilometer. Answer 2,933 kilometer. Next question, question number 4, India is dash largest country according to area in the world. Answer 7th. Next question, question number 5, India is a union of dash states and dash union territories. Answer 28 states and 8 union territories. Next question, question number 6, the latitudinal extent of India is about dash degree. Answer 30 degree. Next question, question number 7, IST is ahead of GMT by dash hours and dash minutes. Answer 5 hours 30 minutes. Next question, question number 8, the land boundary of India is about dash kilometer long. Answer 15,200 kilometer long. So question number 2, all answers are present here, so you can match from here. Next question, question number 3, give one word answer. First question, name the least populated state of India. Answer Sikkim. Second one, how many princely states were in India at the time of independence? Answer 562. Next question, question number 3, name the strait that separates Sri Lanka from India. Answer Pak Strait. Next question, question number 4, how many states of India share an international land boundaries? Answer 17. Next question, question number 5, when did India become independent country? Answer 1947. So we are moving to our next question, question number 4, short answer type question. Question number 1, what is the implication of longitudinal extent of India? Answer, India is a big country and its longitudinal extent from 86 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. This is about 30 degree. The east-west extent of India is about 2,933 km in length. The longitudinal extent gives the difference of local time between Arunachal Pradesh in the east and Gujarat in the west of about 2 hours. In other words, the sun rises 2 hours earlier in the Arunachal Pradesh than in Gujarat. It means that when the sun has already risen in Arunachal Pradesh, it is still night in the Saurashtra region in Gujarat. So next question, question number 2. What is the impact of Tropic of Cancer passing through India? Answer. The Tropic of Cancer 23 half north passes through the middle of the country, dividing India into equal halves. The southern half falling under the tropical zone, while the northern half forming part of subtropical or temperate zone. This has a great influence on the climate of India and also the duration of day and night. The area lying north of the Tropic of Cancer will never experience the midday sun overhead, but the area south of it will experience the midday sun overhead at least twice in a year. The areas along the Tropic of Cancer have their longest day on 21st June every year. So next question, question number 3. What is the impact of latitudinal extent of India? Answer. The mainland of India extends from 84 degree north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. The latitudinal extent is about 30 degree. The distance between two extremities is about 3,214 km in length. The latitudinal extent shows that India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. The wide latitudinal extent results the wide variation in climatic condition. The length of day and night in the northern part of India varies greatly, while the extreme southern part, say at Kanyakumari, it is almost same. The southern part of India gets more heat from the sun and the northern part of India. So next question, question number 4. Answer the following question in briefly. First one, name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Answer. Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Daman and Diu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Second one, name the countries which are larger than India. First one, Russia, next Canada, next China, then fourth one, USA, next Brazil and Australia. Next question, question number 3. Which island group of India lies to its southeast? Answer. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Fourth one, which island country are our southern neighbor? Answer. Sri Lanka and Maldives. Next question, question number 5. The sun rises 2 hours early in the Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? What is the time lag between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? How is a uniform time set as all places? Answer. The east-west extent of India is cover very long distance, about 3,000 km. There is a time lag of 2 hours from east to west. The standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 minute east, passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. It is taken as the standard time of the whole country to avoid the mess created by the different regional times. This time is accepted for the whole country. That is why watches show the same time. Next question, question number 6. The central location of the India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered to great significance. Why? Explain the significance of the location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean. Answer. We know that the sea play an important role in determining the relationship between two countries. The central location of the India at the head of the Indian Ocean is of great significance. Countries of West Asia, East Africa, South and Southeast Asia and East Asia could be reached through sea route. From ancient time, India established close cultural and commercial relations with these countries. India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean justifying naming an ocean after it. A1. The distance between India and Europe has been reduced by 7,000 km after opening the Suez Canal in 1869. So India is in a favorite situation on the international highway of trade and commerce. B1. Many ocean routes from East and Southeast Asia and Australia to Africa and Europe passes through the Indian Ocean. C1. India is connected with North America and South America through both the routes, the Cape of Good Hope and the Suez Canal. Next question, question number 5. Answer this question orally. First one, name the hemisphere in which India lies fully. Northern Hemisphere. Second, what is the latitude of the southernmost tip of the mainland of India? Answer, Kanyakumari, 8 degree 4 minute north. Third one, what is the north-south extent of India? Answer, 3,214 km. Next, fourth one, what is the longitudinal value of the standard meridian of India? Answer, 82 degree 30 minute east. Answer 5. Question number 5, name the island group of India in the Arabian Sea. Answer, Lakshadweep Island. Next question, name the state on the extreme northern tip of India. Answer, Jammu Kashmir. Next question, question number 7. Which parallel of latitude passes through the middle of India? Answer, Tropic of Cancer. Next question, question number 8. What is the southernmost point of the India called? Answer, Indra Point. So next question, question number 6. Write the answer. VSA, very short type question. First one, name the state along the western coast of India. Answer, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Next question, name the 7 states called the Seven Sisters. Answer, the 7 sister state of India are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Next question, question number 3. Which state have a common boundaries with Pakistan? Answer, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Next question, question number 4. Name the country which are bigger than India in area. Answer, Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia are the countries that are larger than India. Next question, question number 5. Name the states along the Tropic of Cancer in India. Answer, the Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states in India. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Next question, question number 6. Where do the 3 seas meet in India? Name the sea. Answer, Bay of Bengal, Arab Sea and Indian Ocean. Next question, what is the official name of India? Answer, the Republic of India, Bharat Ganraj. Next question, question number 8. Name the neighboring country of India. Answer, Bangladesh to the east, Myanmar to the far east, China, Bhutan, Nepal to the north and Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest. So finally this chapter was completed. So PDF link of this session provided on Telegram channel and Telegram channel link in description box, so you can join to get PDF link. So thank you.